Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Walmart Seller Center bank account verification, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the bank account verification process for Walmart Seller Center, log into your Walmart Seller Center account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the left-hand menu. In the drop-down menu, select Account Information. Scroll down to find the Bank Information section. Here, you will see options to add or edit your bank account details. Click on the Add Bank Account button to initiate the verification process. You will need to enter your bank account name, account number, and routing number. Double-check all details for accuracy to prevent any delays in verification. Next, select the type of account you are verifying, either checking or savings. After filling in your bank account details, click on the Save button to proceed. Walmart will now initiate a small test deposit into your bank account. This deposit typically takes 1 to 3 business days to appear. Once you see the deposit, note the amount as it will be required for verification. Return to your Walmart Seller Center account and go back to the Bank Information section. Locate the field to enter the test deposit amount. Enter the exact amount of the test deposit and click on the Verify button. If the deposit amount is correct, your bank account will be successfully verified. In case of an error, you will receive a notification and you can attempt the process again. Ensure to keep your banking details up to date to avoid future complications. Your bank account verification is now complete, allowing you to receive payments through Walmart Seller Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.